Okay, selection is the Hammer and the Equinox. So, Equinox and Hammer. Okay, I got the Hammer. Maggagasolina lang ako ng Hammer. May sunroof pa siya po kayo. Oh, may sunroof. Ito yung Hammer na iuwi na. So malaki siya, kaya ako siya na-type pa kasi malaki. So lilinisin ko lang siya. Medyo ang laki, bigat ng Potargis na pinto niya, pero ganda niya, may sunroof pa siya. Oh. Linis lang ng konti, maayos din to. Para siyang powerful eh. Parang kumando. Oh. Kotse ni Arnold Schwarzenegger yan. Let's do a review for this Hammer H3. Alright everybody, this is the Hammer H3. We're gonna do a review. If you guys familiar to Arnold Schwarzenegger movie, it's pretty powerful, pretty tinted. Let's check out inside. The inside need to be clean of course, but overall I would say it's pretty good. Let's see. But I show you some of the things. Pretty neat. This just need to be clean as I said. Nice tire, and this is the gas tank, and then nice extra wheel right there. And let's check out the back. Alright, so as I said, this need to be clean, so should be good. We're gonna do a second review of the Hammer once I get it clean. So it's gonna be a before and after. But right now is pretty good car. Oh shoot, that thing have a weight on it. That thing have weight. It's pretty heavy. Alright. Who is taller, you or me? Do you know this thing opens up?
I want to open it.
What do you want to open? You want to open the... She want to open the roof already. Say, I'm going to open the roof.
I'm going to open the roof.
The what? The roof?
No.
Come here.
Okay, don't make me. Jeez.
We are live. Say, we are live, people.
We are what? People. Couldn't
Jared, look what to do a picture first. Do you posing?
Ouch. Oh, okay.
Do some posing like this. Come here. Come here. Like, is that you posing?
Yes.
Hug.
Ah.
Okay, let's get out of here. I'm not gonna clean it.
Why?
I'm having a chest pain. You know this thing opens up.
I want to open it.
What do you...
Mama has a tree. This is a camel. Guys, I show you what's in the hammer. I'm going to drive, and I'm going to...
Okay, winash-wash na namin ni Charlotte yung sasakyan. Malinis na siya.
Guys, I'm going to clean this.
Charlotte is cleaning the Hammer. Okay, let's do a review in this Hammer. Turn it on. Okay, it's on. It's pretty neat. I like the interior. I need to clean them a little bit. Turn this off. Okay, this is the interior so far. Pretty neat. I kinda like it. It's simply because of that. Hopefully it don't show my butt in there. I cleaned this and I got the manual to read later. So I like the sunroof too. You can see. Shoot, you can see the sky. I still need to clean the car down. You can shut it like that. You can actually turn the lights out in there. There you go. But we don't need that lights in there. You can, oh shit, there you go. That one I have no idea what just happened in that one. So that's the back. I'm supposed to review the hammer, but I don't know what happened. So there's a nice thing in there. You can actually open all the doors. You can open the doors and then you can put it back. Okay, still.
Mom is washing the car. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna.
It's so windy, so this is what the so far. There you go. All right, that was it.
Ice. I'm gonna drive a car.
Charlotte, about to drive. You driving, Charlotte? Where you going, Charlotte?
To the moon, sing me in the stars, another one. I'm about to beat this, guys. Okay, you're gonna press it like this.
Charlotte.
Close open, close open, quotes open, quotes. My bad. Can I open this one?
Why?
Open it!
Why?
I want to.
Why you want to open it? You already opened it. I don't want you to put your head in there.
But mommy, I want to see up there.
You already see out there.
No, I'm trying to.
No, that's it. That's all you can do.
Wow!
Charlotte,
No!
you don't scream, okay?